washing.
I did all the work.
Okay, so we will have to talk about that. What? What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, I am the marketing nomad. My name is Prit. Okay guys, today we're gonna do a different kind of video. It's gonna be a cook with me video. For those of you who don't know, I enjoy cooking. I really do. I love experimenting with different kinds of foods. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to take Top Ramen, which is a nice ramen brand that I personally like, and I'm going to make it fancy. Super fancy guys. So it's gonna be a coconut based ramen noodle soup thingy. I haven't figured out a name for it, which is probably something I should have done before shooting this video, but let's roll with it guys. So today I'm going to be making that, and I'll find a better name for it guys, or if you have better name suggestions for it, definitely do put it in the description box below as well. Okay guys, let's go grocery shopping first, because there's nothing I did not, yeah, well, there's nothing. So let's go grocery shopping first, and then we will start with the cook with me video for today.
Where's Jackie?
I don't know.
Sleeping. Clearly, I do all the work.
Before I get started on cooking, I would really want to give a shout out to my sponsor for this video. Thank you so much, Coconutty. Now, for those of you who aren't aware of Coconutty, they're a brand bootstrapped out of Vijayawada that is in Andhra Pradesh. They started in 2019 and they have now expanded to Bangalore and Coimbatore. At Coconutty, they aim to bring you the highest quality natural superfoods with great taste. All their products are ethically sourced directly from farmers, enabling local communities of India to flourish. Their products are 100% natural, produced with as little processing as possible, bringing you all the benefits from nature. Also, Coconutty has partnered with me to give 15% off on every single purchase for my viewers. All you have to do is go to their website, choose the products that you really want, add it to your cart, and put in the promo code. That's my affiliate code, guys. PRIT15, PRIT15, and you'll be able to get 15% off of every single purchase. Alrighty guys, let's get back to today's video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tofu and we're gonna cut it into thin, long slices, and we're gonna put it in the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes so that it becomes crispy and nice. And this really complements well with the soup because it's crispy, and you also have your vegetables, you also have the noodles, and it's just a really nice flavor and texture to the entire dish as well. So I've just lathered the tray with coconut oil. It just helps to infuse that coconut flavor into the tofu as well. Okay guys, so now that we have the tofu in the oven for about 20 minutes, let's get started on prepping our vegetables for the noodle soup. So there's gonna be vegetables in the noodle soup. And this recipe, guys, whatever you're seeing me do, it serves 6 people, okay? I just wanted to put it out there that even though we're gonna be using 3 ramen packets, it's gonna serve 6 people. I've just finished cutting the broccoli, and then now I'm onto the spring onions. I'm cutting the top part of the spring onions. So I'm just going to be cutting them. You can decide how much of the length you want to cut, whether you want them thin or long. I decided to do one super long and one semi-medium. I'm gonna put the semi-medium one into the noodle soup, whereas the long one, I'm gonna save it for another dish. And then we have lemongrass, and I'm just gonna remove the top layer of the lemongrass, and then I'm just gonna slit it, okay? What you can do is also just kind of thump it a little bit to get the aroma out. You can absolutely do that as well. I decided to keep it as long chunks. Then I got the zucchini, and then I just decided to cut them in the middle, and then I split the entire thing into 3 pieces so that I would get smaller chunks. And this was so that it would match the size of the other vegetables in the dish as well. So I'm just gonna put them in the bowl, and you know, the knife also decided to join in. Then I got yellow pepper, guys. With yellow pepper, I just cut it in the middle. Like I told you guys, I am not a professional chef, so if I'm doing something wrong, I apologize. That was kind of funny, actually. And then we just split it in the middle, and then I actually just cut the whole thing into 6 pieces like that, and then I divided into 3 sections in each piece. So I did the same with the red pepper as well. Cut them in the middle, and then 3 pieces, and then I just split them even more. So I basically matched the size of the vegetables to all the other vegetable sizes, just so that it cooks evenly in the dish, I guess I would say. Then I had baby corn, so I cut those out. Yes guys, I actually slit the entire thing at one shot. I'm pretty proud of myself. So let me just go get a bowl. Okay, then I'm gonna put that in the bowl, and then, yep, we are all set with our vegetable prep. And then it was really raining, and I just wanted to take a break. So here you go, guys. Okay, so guys, we have just finished prepping. Yes, my sister helped me a lot, especially with washing.
I did all the work.
Okay, so we will have to talk about that. Okay, so we have finished prepping. All the vegetables are all set. Now, this is gonna be a coconut-based ramen noodle soup, okay? So it's basically taking top ramen, but making it... Okay, guys, so we're just gonna basically be taking top ramen and making it fancy. We're gonna make it a coconut-based flavor, I guess I would say. Coconut flavor, coconut. We'll figure it out as it goes, guys.
Coconutty.
Coconutty, guys, yes. So, a shout out to our sponsors as well. Thank you so much, Coconutty, for sponsoring this video. Okay, guys, so now we are gonna get started. What I usually do is I actually get a separate pot for the noodles and then a separate pot for the soup. I don't mix the two, and I'll explain why in a little bit, but yeah. Are you listening? Because you're also gonna be cooking with me.
I feel like a pet. I'm just like in the video like that.
Okay, so I'm actually basically teaching her as well as we go so that she can make this when she goes to the US, which is in, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, so guys, we are all set. Let's get to the video. Before we get into the video, I really wanted to tell you guys that this is the first time that I'm using Coconutty's product, and I absolutely love it. The smell is amazing. I can really feel that it's organic. There are no preservatives, and that's exactly what they also mention on their bottle. So this is about 190 ml, so that's about 174 grams, and I've used a little bit of it for the tofu, as you guys saw. I'm also going to be using it for the cooking as well, because like I told you guys, I really want that coconut flavor to kind of come through with the noodle soup. So I really love the smell, to be honest with you. They say that you can use this for cooking, you can add it to your hair for your hair mask as well, which I can't wait to try, to be honest with you. But I really love the smell, and you know, the tofu is also done, and you can literally feel the whole coconut smell around the room, which is basically what I wanted for the ramen noodle soup as well. So guys, coconutty, I do have an affiliate link for you. If you use my affiliate link, you get 15% off on every single order. Yep, you heard that right. 15% off on every single order. They have coconut oil, they have neem oil, they have desiccated coconut powder, they have everything that's coconut. Okay guys, let's get into our video. Okay guys, so the tofu is done. That looks so good. Okay, now we're gonna get started. I'm gonna use Coconutty's coconut oil. Add that in. Like I said guys, this dish serves 6. Then we're gonna switch on, and then we're gonna add the spring onions, the bottom part of it. Get that to fry a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some of the red and the yellow pepper in, and then I'm just gonna put in the lemongrass. You can take that out later. Then the zucchini. After the zucchini, just let it fry in a bit. And then I'm gonna put in the baby corn, and then I'm gonna add in the broccoli, okay? So it should look something like this. And then after that, I just add in a little bit of coconut milk. Now, here's the top ramen packet, and I'm gonna take 3 packets, and I'm gonna put that in a bowl, and then that's the ramen packet, 3 of them, okay? Okay, let's pause this video over here. Now, the last time I made this mistake, I actually put cold water or normal temperature water, and what happened was, by the time it took for that water to heat up, the vegetables were so soggy and they were kind of mashed up by the end of it. So I highly recommend putting in boiling water to this dish. The second mistake that I made last time was that I actually put coconut milk after I put the water in, which I don't think it really gave the flavor that I was looking for. So first, fry your vegetables, then add the coconut milk. Make sure that coconut milk is boiling a little bit with the vegetables, and then add your boiling water. Okay, we can unpause this. Then you can add salt, chili powder, and then you are all set. Just let it boil for a little bit. It's so good. It's so good.
Yes.
It's perfect. I don't have to add any more salt. I don't have to add any more powder. Nothing. Everything's just really well balanced. I love it. Okay, then I've got some bok choy going on the side. And then we have my noodles ready. Now the reason why I don't mix them is because the noodles get really soggy when you add it in with all the vegetables, because it takes that long. So I just prefer to put it in a separate pot. So I always do this to the noodles because it actually gets your noodles crispy. I really recommend that. Okay, so we're gonna put it up. We're gonna start plating. I'm just gonna put the noodles in, the bok choy in, the spring onions, and then the tofu that we baked. And then this is what the setup looks like. Let me just add that in a little bit more soup. Yeah guys, we're soup people. We really like the soup.
Oh, it is really good. So nice. I like that it has both the flavors of like ramen and coconut curry.
Okay guys, now we're in for the taste test. I'm just gonna mix this a bit, and then I'm gonna take a bit of ramen. I'm gonna take that broccoli that just popped on. Whoops, some of the noodles is just sliding down. Okay guys, Looks like we have it all in. Let's go for the taste test. I absolutely love it, guys. You can definitely feel the coconut flavor that I was going for, yet it actually does retain the top ramen, the flavor of those packets that we used, but at the same time, it makes it more luxurious because there's so much of that coconut flavor in there. Highly recommend you try this recipe. You can definitely adjust the spiciness. If you want to add more chili powder, you can definitely add more chili powder, but for me, this is really good. So now I'm gonna enjoy this meal with my sister right now, and I will call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way up until here. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys, and I will be here with another vlog next week. Bye, guys!